Jalup jakom Murang'a Sils Hussein Mohamed okwayo duol mochung'ne adhula e piny mangima FIFA kod piny owacho mar Kenya mondo yang kamati mabiro tayo chenro mag duol mar opira e pacho ka FKF. Ma tok doho ne ogolo chik magayo tend FKF chwalo chenro moro amora e lo riwruogno motelo ne winjo burano tarik 7 dwe mar 10 higani.
Kenya's hosting rights of the African Nations Championship CHAN and Africa Cup of Nations AFCON 2027 are in serious jeopardy as Kenya will be suspended by FIFA for not complying with directives of meeting the deadline for conducting elections. As a country, we know when the general elections are held, isn't it? That date is fixed, correct? We know when the general election will be held. Why is it so difficult to have the same thing with Football Federation and elections or with our elections when it comes to FKF? It should be the same thing. We should know that by a certain date, by a certain time, we are going to the polls and we will have